This is the fastest OBS Studio crash course you'll watch on the internet. In just a few minutes, you'll learn everything you need to record your screen like a pro. So, let's get started. But before we begin this video, here are the features that you will learn in this crash course for OBS Studio. Download and setup. To download OBS Studio, go to their official website. Link will be in the description box. Once you're on the OBS Studio website, simply select your operating system to download the software, and this will download OBS Studio on your computer. Once OBS Studio has been installed on your computer, you will get the interface like this on your computer. Now, in the Auto Configuration Wizard, I will select Optimize for recording, but you can change this anytime later in the software. Now, in the video settings, choose the canvas resolution to the highest resolution of your display that's available here in the software. Now, in the FPS settings, I recommend leave it to the default option, either 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. Now, OBS Studio has completed the tests and have applied these settings automatically. Now click Apply Settings to continue to the software. Full screen capture. Now to record your screen, go to the top under Scenes section, and here you can choose the default current scene or create a new scene like Scene 2. It doesn't matter, you can choose any of the scenes. Once the scene has been selected, come down to Sources section. And here click the plus icon at the bottom. And this will give you several source options to add to your canvas. To record entire screen, select Display Capture. Now click OK. And then in the display, select the monitor you want to capture, and then click OK. Now you can see that OBS Studio has started to capture entire screen of the computer. Desktop and mic audio capture. Now come to the audio mixer section. The desktop audio section captures the sound output of your computer. When I change volume of my computer, you can see the audio meter moving and is green. That's a good sign that OBS Studio is capturing your desktop audio correctly. You can use this slider to adjust the desktop audio volume. And if you don't want to record desktop audio, just click the speaker icon to mute it completely. Now in the mic section, speak a few words and watch the audio meter. If it's moving, OBS Studio is capturing your microphone correctly. Just like desktop audio, you can adjust the microphone volume using this slider or click the speaker icon to mute it completely. If your microphone isn't being detected, right-click on the mic section and select Properties. Under Device, choose the microphone you want to use from the list. Then click OK. In most cases, this fixes microphone detection issues in OBS Studio. Similarly for desktop audio, if you have more than one speakers, then right-click the desktop audio section and select Properties. Then select one of the existing speakers from the list, and then click OK. If you don't see the desktop audio or mic sections in OBS Studio, you can add them manually. Click the plus icon in the Sources panel. To add a microphone, select Audio Input Capture, choose the microphone you want to use, and click OK. To add desktop audio, click the plus icon again and select Audio Output Capture. Then choose the best output speaker for your computer. Webcam Capture for recording. To record your webcam, go to the Sources panel and click the plus icon. Then select Video Capture Device and click OK. Next, choose the webcam you want to use from the device list and click OK. Your webcam will now appear on the canvas. Simply resize it and place it wherever you like, for example, in the bottom right corner, just like most tutorial videos. Key settings. Now let's go through a few important OBS Studio settings before we can record our first video. Here, you'll find all the settings you can customize. Go to the Output tab, then scroll down to the Recording section. First, change the recording path if you want your recordings to be saved in a different location. For this tutorial, I'll set it to the desktop so it's easier to find. Next, under Recording Format, make sure MP4 is selected. That's all we need to change in the output setting. Next, open the Hotkeys tab. Here, you can create keyboard shortcuts for actions like starting, stopping, pausing, or resuming a recording. For example, I'll set Ctrl+A to start recording and use same shortcut key, Ctrl+A to stop recording. Then I'll set Ctrl+P to pause and unpause recording. Once you're done, click Apply, then OK to save all the changes. Live screen recording. Now it's time to record your first video. To start recording, either press the shortcut key you created or click Start Recording button on OBS Studio. Now your screen is being recorded. To save the recording, press the same shortcut key again or click Stop Recording button. So if you liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel